In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Skyhaven Tycoon Airport Simulator on your PC. So what we will do, open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done that, then we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. So please stick till the end and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Now go to the Steam website, quickly search up this game and don't waste too much time on it. Now select the game. Now if you scroll down you will find out that this game is available for €19.95, but don't worry, we have a workaround for this to save yourself a lot of money. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game, Skyhaven Tycoon Airport Simulator, and select it. Once you have done that, then you need to sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, we have a PC version over here, which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green and then you can select it. The next step is to purchase this game for just €2.10 compared to the price on Steam of €19.95. This is a big difference, so take your advantage with this. Now once you have purchased this game for just €2, then you will receive an email confirmation with a Steam activation key to activate this game in your Steam account and download it on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!